Hey, you want a door scanner?
Yeah.
Like for free?
Yeah.
Make sure I got the. It's Cobra.
Oh yeah, Cobra. Nice.
And
Look at that. That's what friends are for. Free radar detectors.
hold on. I got the thingamadig here for. Oh man, like what you see? Well, that's not it.
Nice.
Ah.
Sweet dude, thanks. Now I can pick up all the grocery store.
Yeah, the entrances.
Just
Every time.
look at them titties.
These do seem like the cheapest kitchen paper towels. This will work perfect. I mean, it says right here, cheapest kitchen paper towel. Like, even cheap. It says cheap, like. And cheap kitchen paper towel to clean surface thoroughly.
I'm surprised they didn't bold.
The cheapest kitchen paper towel, no cloth.
Punch you in your chops, son. I think I got
Done one of this spectrum like 6 times now. But you know, it's
I
like,
did my headlights, and they still they're shit. Like,
oh yeah, I see.
but I think it's the quality of the shit.
Yeah,
By the third time, I was like a professional. Like I was like, like art to it, and it still bubbled up. We're almost done. We just need to tuck it in the creases of where the plastic, what do you call this? Weather strip? Roof rail plastic strip thing. And then we need to cut a hole where the antenna goes. So we're almost done. It's looking pretty good. We did a lot better than I thought we were gonna do.
Show him his boss.
I unplugged the heat gun now. Oh yeah. Oh!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, God damn. We're literally 2 minutes away from being done, and we ripped a giant hole where the antenna is, so we had to patch it up, and it looks kind of janky, but it'll work for now.
Yeah, what the
Totally whole day out. I just ripped this entire thing off. I'm just not gonna ever look at the back.
Just don't look at the back. This is not good right here.
In that corner
Andrew made it just in time to
do nothing.
look at how bad it is.
Yeah.
Now Mike's repping.
Ah, it's stuck to my finger.
Well, boys, we finished. But as I said, we messed up. And while we were trying to do the antenna, I was using the heat gun while Michael was trying to stretch the wrap, and it ripped. So we had to compromise and we had to use kind of a layer over the top of the rip, so it kind of looks really jacked up right now near the antenna. But the rest of the car looks great. We're probably going to redo it here soon, and we'll have to do it the right way. We'll take the antenna off next time. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next video.